everyone, welcome back to another video. Got the shoes on my feet. This video is a part of a ongoing series that has like over 100 views on my channel. It's customizing my shoes. Today I'm only going to be doing one pair of shoes. I recently got these and they're like white flip-flops, and don't get me wrong, they're cute, but they're not very interesting. So I thought, why don't I add on to customizing my shoes and customize them? So that's what I'm going to be doing today. Make sure to like, subscribe if you're new around here, and share this video. So like, subscribe, and share, okay? That's my thing, okay? Good, so I'm going to be using this Sharpie because in the last customizing my shoes video I wrote like my name on like a pair of sneakers, but that came off after like a month, I think. So like, I want to do it with something permanent this time, so I'm really hoping I don't mess up, guys, because if I do, that'll be bad. Like, they're cute shoes, and I don't want to mess them up. Okay, so let's get started. I've been thinking about what design I wanted to do. At first, I was thinking maybe I should just do my name again, but then I thought I want to try something a little different, so I'm thinking maybe like, I don't know, I'm still kind of debating. I think I might want to do like a peace out kind of thing, like write peace signs on it. But I'm also thinking I could do it the little heart thing. I'm not sure which one yet. So let me know in the comments down below, hearts or peace signs. Which one would you rather wear? I don't know. Oh, I actually am stumped. Okay. I think I would want to go on with hearts because I think it's cuter, but I'm not sure. Like, guys, it's made me change my mind in like 2 minutes, but no, wait. No, you know what? Actually, I said I was going to change my mind, and I am. I'm going to go with peace signs as my final decision. I'm thinking like I can like peace out or something, and then like do like peace signs. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to move this screen downward so you guys can see what I'm doing. So, okay, let's get into this. As said, guys, if this looks terrible, like this is Sharpie we're talking about here, guys. Like, this isn't coming off. Okay. There we go. That's the first peace sign. And I think I'm going to do like 2 more up here. I think I'm going to do this one like a little more diagonal. Oh, sorry guys, I just had a genius idea, a heart peace sign. I really hope this looks good. I've never done this before. Wait, okay guys. Sorry guys, I gotta envision it in my brain. Okay, heart, and now watch what I'm gonna do. There we go. Now I'm thinking on like the side of the shoe I write like peace out or something. So still working on that. I'm trying to find an angle where you guys can like see. Peace. And then I'll write out. Peace out. Okay. That is one shoe down. And now on shoe 2. Okay. So I'm gonna move you aside. And second shoe here. I'm gonna write. Okay, I'm gonna do the things again. I think I want to do more of those heart peace signs because I like them. I hope you guys can like hear me. I hope I'm talking loud enough. Because something I've learned about me, guys, is I'm either too loud or I'm too quiet. I'm, like, never in between. There we go. Very pretty. And then I'll do, like, a regular one up here. And then another heart one. Right here. There we go. And now on the side of the shoe, I am again gonna write peace out. Peace out. There we go. That's the second shoe down. Now I'm struggling what else I think I should do. So both these shoes say peace out. They both have like the little hearts and the peace signs. And they both look really cute. But they need a little something more. I'm not sure what though. I could try doing like a bunch of little peace signs at the front. I think, okay guys, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do like a bunch of like little peace signs at the front of the shoe because I think that'll look really cute. So let's get straight into that. Okay. This like has to look decent, guys, as mentioned, because I cannot ruin these shoes. I think I'm gonna do like 4 because I like them that number. I was born in April, which was the 4th month of the year, so I really like the number 4. There we go, that's 4 cute little peace signs. And I'm gonna do 4 more cute little peace signs. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you have not watched parts 1 and 2 of this, check them out, linked in the description. Did I already say that? I feel like I already said that. I don't know. Have I said that already? Let me know in the comments down below. Okay, 1 more peace sign for this shoe. Oh, that one's a little lopsided. Okay. No big whoop. Okay. Should I do something else? I feel like I should. But at the same time, I feel like I shouldn't. I kind of like them the way they are. You know what? Hair flip. I'm gonna leave them the way that they are. By the way, guys, this is my favorite tee. I think I've worn this before. Yeah, just random plug-in. Okay. So, I think that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out parts 1 and part 2. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Peace out.